Hey guys, here's a recap.
शाहरुख खान, a name synonymous with love. पूरे देश में जब भी किसी को प्यार होता है तो वो शाहरुख खान बन जाता है. लव स्टोरी सक्सेसफुल हुई तो राहुल, और अगर फेल हो गई तो देवदास. Even the internationally recognized symbol of love was given to the world by Shahrukh Khan. अरे ये नहीं यार, ये. But do you know what else he has given us? The most number of on-screen deaths of any Bollywood superstar. I mean, if you're watching a Shah Rukh Khan film, you can be sure of two things. One, this guy is going to fall in love with somebody. And two, there's a 50-50 chance that he might end up dead. There's also a third possibility where, he'll have this really long crying scene in the film. But we don't blame him. I mean, he's the biggest superstar in the world. और ये साले राइटर इसको हर फिल्म में मार देते हैं.
और सर यहाँ पे आपका कैरेक्टर फाइनली अपना बदला पूरा करके आराम कर सकता है और वो वहीं पे दम तोड़ देता है.
कमाल है डायरेक्टर साहब. क्या स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है, सुन के कुछ होता है.
सर फिर आप प्यार के लिए अपनी जान देके सैक्रिफाइस करते हैं सर.
यार ये हर पिक्चर में मैं ही क्यों सैक्रिफाइस कर रहा हूँ.
तो फिर हम लास्ट में जो गाड़ी है वो उसको उड़ाते हैं. फिर स्क्रीन पे आता है फिल्म बाय रोहन सेठी एंड टीम एंड दैट्स इट, द एंड. स्टोरी तो सही है पर मेरा डेथ सीन का आपको मार दूंगा तो मैं सीक्वल किसके साथ बनाऊंगा? अजय देवगन के साथ.
Now everybody knows that SRK has died in a lot of films. But when we did our research, we found out that he has died in more than 18 films. I mean, बिल्लियों की भी 9 lives होती हैं यार. So we thought, why not find out the most emotional death scene of Shah Rukh Khan? We found out that this guy, he has died for every reason possible. He has died for love. He has died for revenge. He has died in riots. He has died while suicide bombing with a suicide bomber. He has died once, come back again as a ghost, died again as a ghost, and then come back as a human being. He's died multiple times because he was obsessing over somebody who didn't love him back. He has even died of cancer. Actually, I'm not sure if it was cancer. उसके हार्ट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो थी पर वो पिक्चर में इतना क्लियर नहीं था कि क्या है. It's possible that he just had high cholesterol or something. तो अगली बार छोले भटूरे खाने से पहले सोच लेना. When it comes to your health, it's better to play it safe. Now, before I talk about the winning scene, I actually want to talk about how almost all of his death scenes are super emotional, even the ones which are not supposed to be. Look, Shah Rukh Khan has played the villain a lot of times. Usually, as an audience, you're not supposed to feel bad when the villain dies. But this guy will fuck you up. Take Fan for example. There's this lead character Gaurav who's completely obsessed with this celebrity superstar. And when that celebrity superstar tells him that he doesn't owe his fans anything, Gaurav completely loses it. I mean, he poses as a superstar, he tries to ruin his reputation, he even tries to threaten his family. You're not supposed to feel bad when a character like this dies. But when he actually does die, it's super sad. This used to be a sweet, innocent, kind of ugly boy. All he ever wanted was just to spend 5 minutes with his idol, which he would have cherished for the rest of his life. And when, even after threatening his idol and doing all the shit that he did, he doesn't get those 5 minutes, he happily kills himself, knowing that his death and consequently his name will always be associated with a superstar. That's extremely fucked up. And somehow when you watch the film, it's also extremely sad. Or take Vijay Agnihotri from Anjaam. It's possibly the most negative role that Shah Rukh has ever played. He's this rich, egoistic guy who falls in love with an air hostess, and when she doesn't love him back, he kills her husband. He sends her to jail on a false charge. When she's in jail, he kills her child and her sister. Effectively ruins her entire life. And when she finally comes out of jail to exact her revenge, you find out that this guy got into a car accident and is now a vegetable in a mental asylum. And you know what? You still feel bad for the guy. He got everything that he deserved. Possibly, not yet, maybe he deserves worse. But when you see him in that vegetative state, you see what has become of this guy, you can't help but feel sad. Even Don is an odd case. Halfway through the film, you're made to think that Don, who's this ruthless, selfish criminal, he's dead. But towards the end of the film, you realize that it's Vijay, the good guy, who actually died. And now you're confused. Do I feel bad about the good guy dying? Or do I feel glad that Don, who's this criminal, survived because I'm invested in the character? So you see how the deaths which are supposed to make you feel bad don't actually make you feel bad. And the deaths which are supposed to give you relief, they leave you feeling emotional about the character. And these are all his villain deaths. I haven't even gotten to the hero roles yet. Think of Dil Se, where he plays Amar, this regular guy working at All India Radio, just chilling in his life. bumps into a girl a couple of times and falls in love with her. Then he goes and tells her again and again that he falls in love with her, and every time he does, she just tells him to fuck off. He gets beaten up by her brothers, he gets beaten up by the cops, and in the end he realizes that the girl that he's in love with is actually a suicide bomber planning an attack. So he does what any rational guy would do in that situation. He tries to stop her, and then he hugs her, and then she blows him up. Okay, I understand that this might not have been the most emotional death scene, but then you have films like Devdas. In 2002, Time magazine actually rated Devdas as the best film of the year. And not just in India, globally. You've got Shah Rukh Khan playing Devdas. Devdas falls in love with Paro. Paro gets married to somebody else. Devdas starts drinking alcohol, and the alcohol starts killing. At some point in the film, Devdas realizes that he's about to die. This is one of the most emotional deaths of Shah Rukh Khan that I've seen on screen. It makes me cry every time. You know, he realizes that he will not live for long, and he tries to go see Paro one last time before he dies. And just as he reaches at her door, he dies before he can actually see her. Although this scene does make me cry every single time, it is still not the most emotional death scene. Nor is the death scene in Om Shanti Om, where Shah Rukh dies trying to save celebrity superstar Shanti Priya, who doesn't love him back. Now that I think of it, Shah Rukh Khan actually falls in love with a lot of celebrities in his films.
अब स्टार फैन के पीछे भागेगा.
No guys, the most emotional death scene is actually from the film whose title foreshadows the fate of its character. It's Kal Ho Na Ho. Aman is not just a guy who's trying to juice every last bit of joy from his own life, but he actually tries to help improve the lives of everyone that he comes into contact with. He helps his neighbors resolve their family dispute. He helps two best friends overcome their fears and realize that they are the best match for each other. He sets up Sweetu with Frankie Ramdayal. He even helps India defeat China. Hey! He's this all-round jolly guy full of good intentions who's trying to make everybody live their best lives, even though his own life is coming to an untimely end. Aman is the guy that you truly root for. Devdas died because of his ego. He was a simp. Gaurav was obsessed, and Amar was just crazy in love. But Aman was the most mature guy. He put on a happy face every day, even though his suffering overpowered the suffering of others. He's the guy who truly deserved the girl, and the girl even fell in love with him. But he had to let her go and let her live a happy life because his own life was not on his side. Since most of us were kids when we saw the film, when the film came out, I think that Aman's story actually taught us a lot about how short life can be and how we should make the most of it.
सुनो, जियो, खुश रहो, मुस्कुराओ, क्या पता, कल हो ना हो.
Thank you for watching Desi Recap, guys. If you like the video, do press the like button and share it with more of your friends. Don't forget to comment below and tell us which was the most emotional SRK death scene for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recaps. I'll see you next time. When it comes to your health, it's better to play it safe